You ever noticed this? Some cafe owners look exhausted, not because business is bad, but because their systems are bad. Every day looks like this. Orders come in on WhatsApp. Bookings come in on Instagram. Staff updates available at 1 a.m. Inventory is in someone's head. And the owner becomes the human hub holding the entire business together. Here's the twist. Most F&B owners don't need another app. Most don't need an expensive system. Sometimes a simple Google Sheet combined with one or two tiny automations can give them hours back every single week. And today, I'm going to show you what transformation actually looks like. Not the tutorial, not the technical steps, but the business transformation behind it. When I stepped into the F&B world, I thought owners were struggling with manpower shortages. But the deeper I looked, the clearer it became. The real enemy is fragmented information. Everything is scattered. Bookings in Instagram, staff requests in WhatsApp, inventory on paper, payment screenshots, customer messages, notes inside someone's brain. No wonder owners feel overwhelmed. It's not that they are inefficient, it's the environment that forces inefficiency. And what happens when everything is fragmented? Chaos, mistake, last minute adjustments, endless back and forth, hours lost every single week. Information is supposed to flow to the owner, but instead, the owner is chasing it. Let me give you a simple example. Not a real client, but a very typical scenario I've seen across many small outlets. Imagine this. A cafe receives bookings through Instagram, orders through WhatsApp, staff changes through late night messages, inventory updates in a notebook, all separate, all manual, all recurring. Now imagine everything flowing into one clean Google Sheet automatically. No new apps, no staff training, no system overhaul. Just a single source of truth. A bookings tab updated instantly. A staff changes tab tracking availability, an inventory tab updated from simple messages, a daily summary tab that sends the owner a clean report every morning. Suddenly, no more hunting, no more guessing, no more mental load. This is the moment where F&B owners go from chaos to clarity, and that direction alone already saves time, even before scaling up. Let's make something clear. This is not about replacing staff. This is not about complex AI systems. And it's definitely not about learning Google Sheet formula. It's about using small automations to create consistent flow. Here's how owners describe it when they experience this. It feels like information finally organizes itself. When a staff member sends a message, when a customer books a slot, when inventory runs low, automation quietly updates the sheet, and the sheet quietly updates the owner. No double entry, no repeated admin tasks, no chasing people for info. This moves the owner into the second stage of my 3S method. Simplify, streamline, scale. Right now, we are in streamline, where work stops feeling heavy and starts feeling predictable. And predictable businesses grow. Let's zoom out. A simple Google Sheet and automation isn't sexy, but the transformation absolutely is. Here's what F&B owners actually gain. More predictable weeks. No more reacting. Clearer planning. Better decisions. Fewer mistakes. Staff input goes into one place. Nothing gets lost. Nothing gets forgotten. Mental clarity. This part is huge. Owners stop thinking, where did that message go? And start thinking, what can I improve next? A calmer team. When information is consistent, the team stops checking with boss for everything. The ability to scale. Clarity creates capacity. Capacity creates growth. And all of this begins with something as simple as one sheet and one automation. Not a new system, not a new subscription, not a full digital overhaul. This is the real message I want to drive home. You don't build automation for the sake of efficiency. You build automation to remove friction, so the business can finally breathe. Small F&B outlets don't need enterprise tools. They need lightweight clarity, and sometimes clarity looks like Google Sheets. If you're an F&B owner and you feel like your week is heavier than it should be, or you're tired of being the central brain of the entire business, I offer a free AI audit, no commitments. I'll take a look at how your information currently flows and show you what your single source of truth could look like. The link is in the description. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.